What's up, gang, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are just kind of vlogging. Wanted to come to the mall and just check on my machine. So of course I wanted to bring you all along with me. How have you guys been? Just have an update. I do have a indie vlog celebration video coming for you guys really soon. Yesterday we officially launched inside House of Cutie Minked Beauty, so you guys will see the video for that. So yeah, just vlogging. I want to check on my machine because I really haven't been up here in the last, I was up here. It is Saturday, you guys. So the last time I was up here was Wednesday. So I'm just coming to check in. You know how that go. So let's see. I'm about to flip my camera. Okay, it don't look like too much of nothing is going on, you guys. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I am just going to flip the light on and basically just like let people know, hey, we are open. So I'm gonna flip the switch on. But that's all I wanted to do, was just check on it. So I'm about to flip the switch. Okay. Okay. So just cut the light on. And we out. That's all I wanted to do, was just come cut the light on. It's Saturday. There are a few empty slots. We'll end up refilling those slots. But you guys can see everything. Hi, I am just vlogging. Came to check on my machine. How are you?
I knew it, bro.
Clearly, y'all, she's the best.
Good.
Oh, go ahead. Let me see, because I want that. Flash game.
Awesome.
You guys, I'm about to get another one made. I got my Be Minked Beauty hat from here. I need to see. Yep. So I think I'm gonna do a white one. Excuse me, no, you're fine. I think I'm gonna do the white one and put the lash gang on it. That's gonna be hard. But it's really not gonna stay white for too long, so I probably should I'm gonna get the black. I'm gonna get black. Alright. That's the one I'm gonna get. So I decided to come to Auntie Anne's and get me some of their little mini wiener dogs. And I got a peach I got this right here. This is exactly what I got. The whole meal. Run it. So I'm about to see what it's hitting on. Okay, this peach thing is pretty good. And I think I tried it before. But definitely really good. I'm waiting on my hot dogs. They said they were in the oven. Oh, y'all, look. Look at her getting them out the oven. Or checking on them. Oh, she was just checking on them, y'all. I'm so fucking thirsty to eat them. So yeah, you guys, I'll be back once I get my food. All right, gang, so I left the mall and now I am at a event. This is like a community event for vendors, and one of my beauties has her stuff set up today. She's one of the wonderful women that actually take my my coaching. So she's one of my success students, and you guys, she's very shy. So for her to be doing this event and seeing her in the limelight, I definitely wanted to come and support her and bring you guys along. So we're gonna head in. I'm gonna go ahead and flip my camera. Well, I just came for one person, y'all. Look, she got snacks and stuff. I'm trying to make my way to her table. Definitely a little bit smaller than I expected.
That's the turmeric bar. This is your turmeric bar.
You guys, this is her.
So this helps with what my skin does. This is excellent for eczema.
Y'all, look at her.
Dry skin.
You better sell your products, girl. Sell yourself. Tell them they need to buy the soap, buy the damn I use everything that's on her table, from the body butters to the soap to the body scrub. I use everything, y'all. So I just really want y'all to see her because she is shy. Okay, you guys, she is very shy and in her bubble and in her box. So this is just so amazing to see her, y'all. I'm just very, look at her set up. Look at her set up. Come on, Angel. You better sell them products. Hey. So y'all, I had to double the fuck back. Y'all, guess who this is? Is that my baby? Y'all, this is who do the pictures, y'all. Y'all gotta look with her for y'all pictures. Y'all know I don't come outside to play. Oh, yes. Let me see. Y'all, make sure y'all book if y'all need pictures. Sis traveling now. She do a lot, y'all. So, you feel me? She can pull up on y'all anywhere. You making these cupcakes?
No. Miss Floppy is making them.
Okay.
Since she's doing them for like the cake smash that I do with babies and stuff, so now she'll be making my cake for those sessions that I do.
Okay, so y'all got like a little. All right. And what do you do, love?
I have novelty and plus size lingerie, and the new craze, the rose is glaze.
Okay.
3 colors available today.
So you do plus size lingerie.
Up to 6X, yes I do.
Up to, listen, y'all, up to 6X. Ain't no, not up to no 6X now.
And my stuff has been tested. My girls are wearing my lingerie.
Period. Giving us fantasy vibes for the plush. Wow, yo, that is a deal. So you guys, okay, you guys, so I'm at another table, and y'all, I stopped at her table because I thought she was selling food, y'all. I thought this was food. It's not food, it's wax. It's candles. Oh my, y'all, this is a candle. You guys, this is a candle. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. And I already know y'all gonna ask. So, where can they find you?
Sandy Lights.
I don't want to sit this because I think my cup left that mark. This is her information. I'm gonna let it sit on there for a minute so y'all be able to sit
Sandy
it.
Lights, yes, Sandy Lights Candle Company.
Yes, y'all, this is amazing.
You see my root beer?
Oh my goodness.
You have here banana pudding.
Y'all, look how bomb that looks. And you can't eat it.
And this one is strawberry cream. And this one is chocolate.
Yes.
She's putting me up on, I want you to try my cinnamon bun. So grab that cinnamon bun, I'm giving out the
This is the cinnamon bun, you guys.
And that's the cinnamon bun. And I'm giving this to you.
Oh, y'all, she's giving me, y'all. I'm about to burn these, y'all. My house about to be smelling so good. Thank you. She's bagging them up, guys. All right, gang. So, finally made it out, y'all. I made it out. Like I said, just you know, out here. I got some stuff for my baby. I got some candles. I got some more soap. Definitely was running low on my soap. Y'all, so I'm super excited. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog day. There were so many different businesses in there. I will have their contact information for the most part in the description, where you guys can get it in the video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to this vlog. Peace, love, and joy. We out.